It's not very clear when this Zvinhu Zvirikufaya, meaning things are good, phenomenon took off. Zimbabwe has not been spared by the frenzy of selfies, as the social media has become a household pastime, or maybe just a menace, if you will. The convenience of whipping out a cell phone to record events as they unfold and then uploading the video with none or limited editing, sharing it to the whole world via Instagram, Facebook, has been a blessing and sometimes even a curse. While Zimbabwean authorities are investigating about a dozen persons of interest in order to uncover the identity of a character that is believed to be a mole, the faceless and nameless blogger who operates as Baba Jukwa or Father of Jukwa and Shona, his sole responsibilities has been to expose and shame the ruling parties, ZANU-PF, the president and the government. Edmund Kudzai, an editor of one of ZANU-PF's mouthpieces, the Sunday Mail, and his brother Philip are currently out on bail as the investigations continue. Meanwhile, Baba Jukwa continues to post messages. The pending charges are plotting insurgency and terrorism in addition to undermining the authority of the president. However, in the backdrop of this social media mystery, Zimbabweans in the diaspora, mainly in the United States of America, United Kingdom, Dubai, South Africa, Australia, and even Uzbekistan, have been steadily posting videos with messages of Zvinhu Zvirikufaya, things are good, and we are not coming back home to poverty at Itsokiko.
And it's okay because I don't think you're going to.
And we go.
What home do you want me to go big? Why would I go big home when home is here?
This is believed to have been exacerbated by the growing calls from government for all Zimbabweans in the diaspora to come home and help rebuild the nation. The latest coming from Deputy President Joyce Mujuru, who while officiating the burial of the late Stanley Sakupwanya at the National Heroes Acre, Deputy President Joyce Mujuru said they must come home and work to build the country. The economy may not be moving in the direction that some of us would have wanted, but we are there to work for the people. Critics describe the Deputy President as clueless, as she appeared not to understand what was actually going on in the country. About 6 years ago, the President of Zimbabwe, President Mugabe, had this to say in a speech.
Mungamanyire vamwe vedu kungirandi munonosvika muchidzvanyirirwana noupenyu hwaikoko, munosvika muchionekwa sevanhu vasina maturo, kukwenyeswa misana yetu chembere ndo zviri kuita vana vedu vamwe vari kuenda ikoko, kunopiwa mabasa etsvina ndo zviri kunoitwa nevamwe ikoko. Ko nyika mukaitiza inogadzirwa nani? NavaMugabe voga, vaMugabe voga ndo vakamboirwira. Ndakandisina imi, nhasi makunditiza muchienda kunani?
At Itsokiko, we shall not return, was the response from many Zimbabweans from the diaspora. Others claim that Zimbabwe would have to come to them.
One should come here.
America, here it is. Zvirikufaya. Sezvo muri kuona kudai, baba vari kudhiraivha. Pazinoko ravo. Vana vari pama-iPad. Kudai. Tabva kupati. Chikafu zvirikufaya. Madhirezi aya ana Michael Kors tinonopfeka zvichifaya. Iro bvunziri Brazilian vedu zvirikufaya. Kwete zvekuenda uko watiende koisati dzoku.
Hadidzoke kuZimbabwe. Tatichidzokere. Kuona tudya cheese mukati memazai. Madomasi. Kwete bread and tea kana isina mukaka. Dry bread. Drink in. Mari pese change. Mune mari here kuZimbabwe. Balance. Then whole wheat bread, brown bread, whole wheat. With this, my half loaf
while others show how well and comfortable they are living at their homes in comparison to those suffering back home.
Hands vam kabar kupon, my press vam kabar kupon, my press it's okay kuZimbabwe. When I the garden language. The getting and hey Murwekovo, ndiyo kovo mu England. Kwete kuya kuZimbabwe.
Zviriseko Zimbabwe. Zvirikufaya. Just want to tell you why I say Zvirikufaya with me particularly. When you say fire, yeah, it's Zvirikufaya. We're just trying. So we got buku cars, like we got a lot of cars. That's the Maybach over there. You can see that. That's you see the Bentley as well. It's another Bentley. That's another Bentley. Like we May and Bentley kind of people. That's just how we do. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what Zvirikufaya. For different people, fire means a different thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and for me, that's what it is. You know, it's just how you position yourself. You can be anywhere in the world. You can be in Zim, you can be here in South Africa, you can be in America or in England. You know what I mean? Yeah, but everything is about how you position yourself in your environment. And yeah, for me, we're doing so far. You know what I mean? We're doing okay so far. Those are tributers. So for me, my fighter one is a tributor, but for me, it's a fighter.
Madoja, hey, I'm not gonna pressure. Life is famba. I'm not gonna pressure. I'm not nothing. Hey, what? Neba would get Muriona. I'm not gonna rusha. Yeah, Yakanyara, this is fire. Can that boy gonna know when that? You tell me, tennis young. Hey, Jimmy Boa, don't want to jump up and bring up a basketball. Hey, life is famba. I'm not gonna pressure. So, next time, I'm all good. We have to buy. But yes, rules. Don't buy it next time. They're going to buy it.
Zvirikufaya kuno kuCzech Republic. Haisi Czechoslovakia, ayo. Inonzi Czech Republic. Moti ndowireko kuZimbabwe. Tarisayo madora. Tinomawana kuno madora. Tinomawana. Mabonzo ariko kuno mabonzo. Nesadza jena. Zvirikufaya mundo ya kuZimbabwe kuzoitei. Sadza nchiriwana kuno. Handiwiko. Handitouyi kana handiuye kana ndiri box. Ndinovigwa kuno kuZimbabwe handiuyi. Handiuyi.
Zvirikufaya. Ndozvatinoita mumakazi vanhu izvi. Zvirikufaya.
This is our interpretation of why we feel there's absolutely no need for us to come and live in the diaspora.
Yes, Hatuiko. We are in the laps of luxury. Nyazura, Musangano Lodge.
Breakfast on a Sunday, a bit of muesli, fruit, oats, sunflower seeds.
And what are those caraway seeds you said?
Cheese with caraway. That's slightly more continental. Cheese, cold meats. Normally there would be crisp bread, but I guess it finished. But otherwise it's perfect start. Balanced start. Perfect start to the morning. Hatuiko, I completely agree. Brought to you proudly by just us, the girls. We even have cheese spread.
Hayi mivan ngosurukutaura zvinosiyana nebasa rese pamavidhiyo enyu amunongoratidza muchiti hanzi tinokudai kuno akuti mudzoke ndiya gareyo hapana anokuda kunoti gerisu tigere kuZimbabwe yacho iyi yamunoti yakaora uchima magetsi generator rinenge raende dombondiudzoka tinongokwenya generator rakazara nedhizi apa minda tiri kurima fodya gore rino takarima 600 chakuti million US dollars ameno kuti 224 chakuti million kilograms kudarika zvakarimwa nemangezi acho kwamugiriko dai matibatsira mauya matora hama dzenyu kunodza kuswera kuti shusha dzakamirira tumari twamunotumira kubva mudiaspora vakuti nets ndo vakutoswera vachitishupa panapa.
Even Talking Tom had a little input on the subject.
Kunyepera magunyepera kuti mugere muse muchidya zvinhu zvimbiri mashusha aidziwa nemahomo erectors kudhara jesu asati atombozvarwa because mahomo erectors anga asingagone kutema huni kana kubatidza moto ndotsaka vaidya zvinhu zvimbiri wakuona kunge staira amana ubarandi so zvaunoita so dzungu chete idzungu vagere mushe tinovaona vana vagere mushe tinotovaziva vana vagere mushe tisi isusu idzungu chete itestedwa fana tested dzungu chete.
Among the issues mainly spoken about were the issue of irregular power shutdowns, lack of clean running water, poor infrastructure, and dilapidated roads and gross unemployment.
Uya ikoko ndinoda ndikauya ikoko handidzoki kuno kandiro iro ropera magetsi hakuna TV hatisi kuona magetsi hakuna zvino ndikauya ikoko munditambirawo pakati ndikauya handidzoke kuno ndinogara ikoko ndinodzoka ndiri mubhokisi.
Tati tingasaririre kapa maselfie aya isu kama asylum seekers ndiro redu kakadhi redu ratinopiwa nehurumende yemuno muengland vanoitirwa kuti vasasenze tichingopiwa mari takagara muno mudzimba dzenasi accommodation imba idzinopiwa vanhu vasina mapepa zviri kufaya kuno kuengland takagara zvedu pana mwimba magetsi aripo heating iripo hatibvumidze kushanda tinenge chingononyora tichipiwa mari yedu pasvondo forbidden from taking employment hatibvumirwe kana kushanda asi tinenge tichitoona world cup tichitoiona isuko pamaflat screen aya ma50 inch LG life is good zviri kutofaya.
Former Member of Parliament, prominent and flamboyant businessman who also happens to be President Mugabe's cousin, Philip Chiyangwa, caught on the selfie fever, flaunting his wealth as he drove on the Harare roads in his Bentley.
Good morning, this is Zim, traveling to work on the Stone Chart land. The Bentley, yeah, the big B, right there, the big B. And now, one, two, up and about. Yeah, this is Philip Chiyangwa, on his way to work. Looking forward to a good day. Whatever it is anyway, doesn't matter. Life still goes on, you know what I mean? Yeah. Thinking of having a fantastic morning filled with fun, more money. But you know what? More money, more problems. Yeah. I got to tell you a story. This is from the Chiyangwa born in Chegu to 1959, 3rd of February. Turning 55 on the 3rd of February. Big party coming up, yeah? Hopefully, you know what I mean? I'm going to have gifts. I'm tired of this business of saying, hey, different. Gifts. Gifts. I'm looking forward to the gifts. Yeah, that's what it is. And see you there. Back a date. This is peace.
Meanwhile, some disgruntled Zimbabweans also posted contrasting footage.
Zvirikufaya. Tirimo muno muZimbabwe. Tiri mukombi. Zvirikufaya.
ya tabhadharawo ma5 rand edu ndina driver wangu, my personal driver. Zviri sei? Zviri kufaya muZimbabwe. Vari kutitira mavidhiyo kudiaspora. Hanzi chii? Hanzi zviri kwatidzokeko. Musadzoke, hatikudei. Ari kukolekta zvake mari yake uyu. Nai, zviri kufaya kuno. Nayo man. Hanzi hatidzokeko. Modzoka kuzoita hanti makatadza Zimbabwe yacho. Ndosaka muri kwamuri ikoko. Garaiko. Motinyaudza kuno. Nai, hanzi tiri kufamba nepombi. Haizi yako pombi yacho. Ndeyekubhenki. 1 month usina kuibhadharira vanoitora.
Other Zimbabweans in the diaspora posted videos of them on vacation.
In St. Lucia. Yeah. Zviri kufaya.
MaZimbabweans, mamutamba golf. Right now ndiri pa golf course. Ndakachikora zvangu. Budweiser yangu ndiri kunwa. Varungu vari kuswima pa swimming pool apa. Ndabhuka kondo. Makambogara mukondo here mama. Kondo. Ndogara pa upstairs apa pa 3rd floor. Ameti muri kutaura kuti chii kuti Zimbabwe kuri kufaya. Green yakadai semakamboiwana. Aiwa musanyepero akumana. Musanyepero kuno ndokuri right. Stop posting those videos of zviri kufaya. Hazvisi kufaya. Zviri kufaya kuno kuAmerica. Florida.
The question here is, Zvinhu Zvirikufaya just a parody or a desperate jacked up call for action to fix Zimbabwe? While this frenzy continues, the government has remained unresponsive. Let's discuss.